Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, there was a king known as the King of Colors. This king possessed a magical box that contained all the colors of the world. He would distribute these colors to nature, bringing life and joy to everything around him: flowers, trees, the sky, and even the sea. The king was very careful with his colors, knowing that they were the source of beauty and happiness in his kingdom. He had three helpers: red, blue, and yellow. They assisted him in choosing the right colors for everything. One day, the king decided to give a special gift to his people. He thought long and hard and decided to create a magical painting in the sky for everyone to see after the rain. But he had to choose the colors with great care. The king gathered with his three helpers and began to think. Red said, "I want to be in the painting because I am the color of energy and love, and I will light up the sky with my beauty." The king agreed and added red to the painting. Then Blue said, "I should be there too. I am the color of the sky and the sea, and I will bring calm and peace to the painting." The king agreed again and added blue to the painting. Yellow then said, "Don't forget me, O King of Colors. I am the color of the sun and warmth, and I will make the painting bright and full of life." The king happily agreed and added yellow to the painting. But the king felt that something was missing from the painting. He thought and said, "We need more colors to complete the beauty." So, he decided to mix the three colors to create new ones: orange, green, and purple. The king mixed red with yellow to create orange, then mixed blue with yellow to create green, and finally mixed red with blue to create purple. And thus, the painting was complete. After the rain ended, the king raised his hand to the sky and released the magical painting, and a magnificent rainbow with 7 colors appeared in the sky. The colors blended beautifully, and everyone in the kingdom stood in awe, admiring the splendid scene. The rainbow painting became a symbol of hope and beauty in the kingdom. Whenever a rainbow appeared in the sky after the rain, everyone remembered the wise king who knew how to combine colors to create something extraordinary. From that day on, the rainbow would appear after every rain as a gift from the King of Colors, reminding people that true beauty lies in diversity and cooperation among all.